Welcome to the Windows Club. If Outlook is not working after Windows 11 update, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart your PC. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then click on restart. The next solution is to start Outlook in safe mode and delete the profile. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. In the run window, type the command outlook.exe /save and hit enter. This will open Outlook. Click on OK. It will need a few minutes to load the profile. Then click on File. In the info menu, click on Account Settings. Scroll down and select Manage Profiles. Now click on Show Profile. You'll find the profile here. Select Remove to remove it and then open Outlook once again and recreate the profile. Lastly, you can consider repairing Microsoft Office. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, go to the Apps tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, select Installed Apps. Scroll down to the Microsoft 365 app and click on the three dots associated with it. Select Modify and then click on the option to repair the same. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.